Bounce pass, Cobalies, kicks out, step back fakes. Go floater, bucket! Bounce pass to the corner, Magay attacks, bump, fires off the glass. That's short! And spins, fires off the glass, bucket! And here you go, he pass at 3, Asuncion, bang! 3 points! Welcome to Cagayan Intertown Apong League. Tuguegarao versus Tuguegarao. Here you go. And pass further, short. And here's Magay. Here's crosses the mid lane. He spins. Here's Magay. Magay drives. Almost lost recover. Fires off the glass. And one first blood. Well, yes. He pass to. Pass back. Long pass. And is Ataban, inside pass Ancheta to the middle, Cobalies drive and pass, and that fix, corner fix, Ataban, neolok pass inside, libre si Ancheta, easy to, and it's Pasiwagan, pass to the corner, Magay, fires at 3, rebound, Malto, reverse layup, short. Kalubakib, bounce pass, Cobalies, kicks out, step back fakes, attacks the floater, bucket! He goes to mid lane. He's at the top, at the logo, Pasiwagan, bounce pass to the corner, Magay, attacks, bump, fires off the glass, the stroke is stolen by Ataban, and another Tagakay with the steal. No, look pass inside, Malto, oop! And here's Ataban inside pass, Alvin block! Oops! Oh, 101. Wagan with the ball. Pasiwagan. Stop, bounce pass. One bounce inside, fires. Too strong. Fight for the rebound. And dive for the ball. Stolen. Here's Kalubakib. I-pass to Agabin. Kicks out. Pull up Jay. Tagaka. Pasiwagan. 4-3. Pass to Ataban. And to corner Ancheta. Kalubaki. 4-3. Bang! Turingan. I-pass to the corner. Balisi. Pull up Jay off the glass. Bucket. I-pass to the middle. Is bucket. And 7-11 ang score natin. Pass to the middle. Turingan 4-3. In and out. Fight for the rebound. Sumigsags. And pass back. Side step. Fires. Pinabitin pa. Rebound picks. One bounce and fire. Bucket of the glass. And here you go. I-pass. Si pass at 3. Asuncion. Bang! 3. Top. Makanang to the middle. Corpus. Losses. Recover by Ataban. The hook shot. Bucket. And sa 3. Asuncion. Bang! Another 3. By Corpus. And still. Magpagaduan. Bucket and one. BC. And you. And 4-3. Turingan. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Magay off the glass. Up by 1. And 1 seconds on the game clock. And binato. That's the end. Agabin. Pass to Makanang. To Corpus. Natapikan. Stolen. And here you go. Balisi. Lace. Bucket. Balisi. And here's Tagakay. Block. Agabin. Bounce pass. Anchet. Corpus. Lace. Won't go. And here you go, team Tuguegarao City basketball to the corner. Falls at 3. Bam! 3 points. Corpus. Pass at 3. Short. And spins. Falls off the glass. Bucket! Agabin. And now up by 2 for Tuguegarao City. And stoop. Almost stolen recover. Balisi. Magay. Jelly Pagram. Makanang. And the long pass, Ataban, coast to coast, fire, and one, Ataban, Awilan, oops, stolen, And here's our post. Libreng-libre si Oh, Makanang. Easy to. Cross pass, long pass. Tagakay. Pass to the middle. Taginod. Corner pass. Kawilan. Open for long two. Off the mark. Magay rebound. Put back. Still no good. Rebound. Kawilan off the glass. Bakit? Kawilan. Sibal is at the top. He stop. He passes to Corpus. Fires at 3. Bang! Corpus. And 29-23 score. Agabin attacks. Lee. So, Trevor's layup. Patabas Tagakay. Long pass. High pass. And libre Turingan. Bakit? Agabin. He pass to Sibal. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. That's Sibal. And Tagakay to Turingan. Pass. Picks Turingan. Kawilan for 3. Bang! Kawilan. And he pass to Sibal, corner, Sibal wide open for 3, bang, Sibal, and Magay, pass his corner, attacks, Red Spurs lays, bakit, and here you go, attacks, kicks out, for 3, short, and pass, wala kay Picks, catch fire, shoot too strong, rebound, put back, wala pa rin, and for the inbound, Maguddayaw, dribbles, kicks out, Magay behind the back dribble, attacks, inside pass, floater, Pasiwagan with the feet, and sa Gabin, pull up jumper, the free throw, bakit? Inside pass, oh! Floater, bakit? Pasiwagan, natapikan, stolen, Edlays, bakit? Corpus, Tagakay, hook pass, Maltu, drives, pinasay sa loob, reverse step, and Pasiwagan, and one, Pasiwagan, Corpus, is at the log, and attack, sa taban, floater, short, rebound, Makanang, stop for 3, bang, Makanang, Guy, pass to Tagakay, pass to the middle, tapos natapikan, stolen, Makanang, long pass, and Corpus spins, floater, and still, Makanang, corner sa 3, short, rebound, Magay, and here's Tagakay, one-on-one with Agabin, deflected, stolen, and here's Agabin, pass to Binitbit, pinasa, libreng-libre, oh! The middle, he stops, Pagaduan, Magay, bumangga, oop. Agabin, long pass inside, Ancheta into middle, Ataban, bakit? And another, and recover, Maguddayaw, pass to Asuncion, fires off the glass, yes sir. And 53-41, 12-point lead. Kalubakib, pass to Agabin. Agabin, Kalubakib, fires at 3, bang! And he pass, Pasiwagan. Itaks, nakalusot, Pasiwagan pass, and Asuncion. And he pass to Tagakay, attacks, floater, bakit? Agabin, sharing the play, Agabin, pass inside, and he kicks out, Corpus to the middle, Agabin, inside pass, bounce pass, block, and wires inside pass, sa gitna, Agabin, bakit? Agabin, and, oh, Coballes, he pass to Kalubakib, bounce pass. He pass to Kalubakib, Agabin, 4-3, short, rebound. Inside pass, fodder, bakit? And here's Agabin, sumigsag. Oh, rondo move, oh! Agabin! Stop Tagakay, and pass, natapikan. Recover. And here you go, Taginod, fake, pass for 3, short. Kalubakib. He pass to Coballes, and pass back Kalubakib to Agabin. Coballes, Agabin, pass inside, libreng-libre, bakit? Tagakay, cross pass, Turingan, and stolen. Agabin, behind the back dribble, and pass inside, Ancheta, floater, Coballes, off the mark, and stolen. And here you go, bumangga, up to the far of the glass, bakit? Agabin, pass to Coballes, to the middle, Kalubakib, pass to Ancheta, no, it's not Ancheta, number 3, and as Agabin, Sa gitna. Attack, side step, floater of the glass, bucket. Kalubakib. Pass to Ancheta. Ancheta to Coballes. Coballes goes to the rim, loses the ball. Kicks out sa tres. Makanang ba! Pasiwagan, Magay. Attacks. Inside pass, Malto. Another pass. Bucket. Palisi. Caro City. Inside. Libre si Coballes. Grabe. Perfect execution. Pasiwagan. Snakes. Balisi. Pasiwagan. Balisi. Taginod. Dumistansya. Base bullet pass inside to Malto. Reverse layup. Bucket. Malto. And stolen. And here's Coballes. Inside. Ataban of the glass. Bucket. Here's Makanang. Makanang. Pass. Oops. Stolen lace. Bucket. And here's Balisi. Balisi lace off the window. Easy to. Bakib. Kalubakib with the ball. And he pass to the middle. Corner for 3. Bang! Kalub. And here's Balisi. Inside pass. Bounce. Leves layup. Short. Pass break na naman. Makanang. Easy to. Siwagan to the middle. And Malto. Corner. Balisi. Pass back. Malto picks. Fars of the window. Malto. And nasundutan na naman Corpus. Corpus. Pass to Agabin. Agabin inside pass. Stolen. Asuncion. Balisi. Behind the back. Dribble. Picks. Spins. Bounce pass. Dive for the ball. Stolen by Corpus. Corpus. Behind the back. He pass. And he fires. Short. Put back. And one. The middle. And Escobar. And here's Corpus. Pinasa sa loob. What a good passing. And here's Coballes. He passes to Kalubakib. Kalubakib to Corpus. Corpus inside pass to Agabin. Agabin. Oh, Coballes. Another pass. Oh, pinai. And this Escobar, floater of the glass and one. Coballes. Corpus. Agabin. Kalubakib to the middle. Please, easy to Kalubakib. Maguddayaw. Maguddayaw goes to the rim and bucket for 2. Bound Agabin. Here's Kalubakib to Corpus. Corner pass, picks. Please, easy to Agabin. And here you go, he pass. Attacks. Corner, picks, clutch. He pass, and easy, Balisi. On Corpus, Kalubakib for 3. Bang! 3 points. Kalubakib. Agabin drives. Another pass, lace. Bucket. Corpus, crossover, nakalusot. Attacks, pinasa pa. Another finish. And stops to the corner. Step back for 3. Short. Magay. Pinabitin pa off the glass. Bucket for 2. Sibal. Bang! 3. Bucket. And congratulations to Gigarao City.